Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to add keyframe on Capcut PC. As you can see, I have three keyframes here. First one, second one, and then the third one. The utility of this keyframe, I can change from the keyframe and then gradually change any kind of effect you want to put it. For example, on the first keyframe, my scale of this video is 100%, and then the second keyframe is 26 to 200, about 250 to 50% of size, and then it will be gradually from 100 into 250 like that, and then I will put it back into 100 to put another keyframe like this. See, I have three keyframe on my video, so the result is just like this. I repeat. So how to add the keyframe is actually, it's really easy. You put whenever or wherever you want to put the keyframe, and then you can click. You can see this is on this diamond icon. You can see you can add keyframe when I hover my mouse into that. You can see add keyframe, so I just can click add keyframe. See, now I have my keyframe here. Okay, this is very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.